All right, beautiful bloom of the pink ice protea, and this beast is about 10-11 feet. So today on this episode we're going to talk about a protea's cousin, the Leucadendron. So this is Leucadendron Salignum Winter Red. So these are the bracts, I guess you could call them, or flowers some people call them, but they're not really flowers, as you can see. Oops, might as well open it up all the way. So there you go. What they do eventually produce are these little cones here, right there. So it's not really a flower, but these Leucadendrons are really hardy South African natives. They're hardy to 20 to 25 degrees in Southern California. Really tolerant to heat and cold from my experience. I got this last year at Home Depot for like 12 bucks. I had a couple varieties of Leucadendrons there. I think they labeled them as hybrids. So anyways, this thing does really well in Southern California climate, and they are a very interesting plant. So they will only grow 3 to 4 feet tall and get about 4 to 6 feet wide, and of course you can prune them back pretty easily. So what I like about them is, I'll go up this plant, you can see just the beautiful color of the new growth. It's kind of that nice red and then green leaves, and then they almost look like flowers, but they're more like, I think people call them bracts. So again, don't ever fertilize this thing. Phosphorus is really bad for a Leucadendron. They do not like it, and they like nice, fast draining, sandy soil. So there you go. Again, this is a beautiful little example of a Leucadendron Salignum Winter Red. So give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. We have plenty more plants coming your way. Again, Winter Red Leucadendron. Beautiful, beautiful plant that does really well in Southern California. All right, take care. Have a great day. Bye. Dude, it's creepy.